Hi guys, thanks for joining me today. We have our January Boxycharm, so let's open it on up. Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizing Primer. You just need a little drop on your fingertips and then you go ahead and massage it into the skin, work it into the skin. Delivers a natural, radiant glow while blurring pores and imperfections for a beautifully illuminated, flawless complexion. Retails for $38 and the box is $21 a month. So right there, you're paid for and more. So our next item that we have in the box is by It Cosmetics. And it's the Brow Power Universal Eyebrow Pencil. And this retails for $24. And it is a full-size product. Once again, it has a nice little spoolie on the end. The consistency, like kind of chalky, hard to put on, but it's buildable. So that's nice because you can build your eyebrows up. Our next charm is Glam Metals Eyeshadow Palette. And this eyeshadow palette I am wearing as well. They are very pigmented. They are, like I said, I'm wearing them now. They go on well with not a lot of fallout. They have a lot of pigment. Most of the colors in this palette, except for one, which is the black metal, are a metallic. So they're all kind of a metallic. So really, to me, this eyeshadow palette is really useful with maybe another eyeshadow palette. Definitely like to have a matte and then maybe have some pop of shimmers. I only used this, and then I actually did use just a base, and then I also used another product, but we'll get into that one. So this is by Pure Cosmetics. It's a bronze and brightener cheek palette. This retails for $34. And these colors are gorgeous. I have this on my face as well because I did apply it. I used all three colors. The bronzer seems very dark in the palette, but it went on very nice. The Afterglow is the highlighter, and that I wore as well. And I also put a little bit of this kind of salmon-y color on my apples of my cheeks. So they're really a pretty combination, and it gives you that nice, just shimmery. But our last item is a lipstick, which I also have on. So this is a matte lip paint, and it's by Girlactik Beauty. So I've never used this product before, but it has stayed on really nicely. It retails for $23. And I really like the color because it's kind of like a natural, neutrally kind of, not really too pink, not too dark, but just kind of a really pretty color, lip color. So all in all, super happy with January's box. We started off the year wonderful with Boxycharm, and they say rock 2018. So we're gonna go ahead and rock 2018. Thanks for joining me again for another Boxycharm unboxing. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video, then like this video. And also I will have all the items linked down below, so don't forget to check that out. Also a Boxycharm link, so you can get your own Boxycharm. Till next time.